Yo! What's up, legends? Welcome back to Channel V8X, where power meets prestige and luxury hits different. Today, we're not just talking about an SUV. We're talking about a statement. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Baby G-Class, finished in a jaw-dropping deep metallic blue. And trust me, this thing is small in name only. From the very first glance, the front view hits hard. That bold, upright stance, the squared-off silhouette, and those razor-sharp LED headlights scream pure G-Class DNA. It's compact, yes, but it's aggressive, confident, and unapologetically premium. This Baby G doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. Slide around to the side profile, and wow, this angle is clean. Perfect proportions, muscular lines, chunky wheel arches, and those sporty alloys give it that urban meets off-road vibe. The deep metallic blue paint reflects light like liquid metal, making every curve pop. This is the kind of side view that stops traffic at red lights and steals the spotlight in parking lots. Now let's talk about the rear view, because Mercedes absolutely nailed it. Strong shoulders, modern LED tail lights, and that squared-off back give it a planted, powerful look. And sitting right there, front and back, is that sleek V8X number plate, adding a custom, high-status touch. This angle says one thing loud and clear: this SUV doesn't follow trends, it sets them. Step inside, and the dashboard view is pure luxury tech heaven. Premium materials, ambient lighting wrapping the cabin, a fully digital cockpit, and a futuristic infotainment system that feels straight out of tomorrow. This isn't just an interior, it's a command center. Every button, every screen, every stitch feels intentional and expensive. Pop the hood and check the engine view, clean, refined, and engineered with precision. Mercedes doesn't just build engines, they craft experiences. Even standing still, this Baby G feels ready to move mountains, or at least dominate city streets. Now imagine this beast on a highway shot. The camera drops low, the road stretches ahead, motion blur kicking in, and that blue G-Class slicing through the air like a luxury missile. It's smooth, confident, and fast-looking even when cruising. As night falls, the night shot changes the game. LED lights glow, reflections bounce off the paint, city lights dance across the body. This is where the Baby G turns into a full-blown icon, bold, cinematic, and dripping with attitude. Finally, picture it in a showroom shot. Glass walls, soft lighting, clean reflections. Parked like a piece of modern art. Because that's exactly what it is. Now let's talk numbers. The expected price for the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Baby G-Class is rumored to land around $55,000 to $65,000, depending on trim and market. And honestly, for this design, this brand, and this level of luxury, it feels like a power move. So whether you're here for the design, the hype, or the future of luxury SUVs, one thing is clear. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Baby G-Class in deep metallic blue is coming in hot. If you felt this energy, smash that like button, subscribe, and stay locked right here with Channel V8X, where every ride has attitude, and every review hits hard. Channel V8X, power, luxury, and pure automotive obsession. Fire sport utility vehicle.